My name is Jagdish. I am studying 4th class. Today I am going to teach parrot paper craft, which stands like this. Now I will tell how to make. To make a parrot, we should take a square paper. Then hold a rectangle hole. Then grease. Then open it up. Then do rectangle hole opposite to that rectangle hole. Then grease it up. Then open it up. Then kite hole. Then open it up, then opposite to another kite hole. Then we'll get a diamond shape and a straight line. Then make a diamond shape like this. Open this part. First make a bird base. In this part, do it like this. Then on second diamond. Then get a middle line here and here also. Then fold it down like a sword shape. And opposite to make a bird base. Then we'll get a triangle shape, then hold it reverse to this diamond shape. Then open it up, then we'll get a real diamond shape like this. Then open this part like this. Then get a greases, two greases like this. Then hold the grease. Like a bird base. One flap is over, then another flap. Then opposite. Fold up this triangle, then hold like a sword shape we did for that bird base. Then open it up. Then do another bird base. Then you have got a bird base. Then you will got two flaps like this. Hold them down to make a parrot. Then open a outer hole. Then take this top triangle. Then hold it inside. Tuck it inside like that. Then do same for this part also. tuck it in. Then hole. Then open the triangle which we had tucked into this hole. Like this. Then do same for this also. Then open the bird base. Then fold it inside. Then with this part we should make a head. This we should make a legs. To make a head, take stop and hold like this, like we had made the legs. Then to make legs, to stand in our hand like a branch, open the hole for the legs, then make like a head. Then this one also. Then we should make the beak of the parrot. The beak of the parrot is curved, so we should make curved hole for this tight beak. So there's a parrot, green color parrot. Now it can stand. There's a parrot. Then the parrot of the wings are like this. Bye bye. See you later.